easy now. Let it flow. There's a river inside. Let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride. Me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me no fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent mind. Me shine in dark, no need for light. Me learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. Me bend but never break or hide. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound. Me float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh, Jah, a river overflown. Feel the current in your chest. Let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah River, we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say, but trust Jah voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, we keep peace. From dawn to dusk, we never cease. We overflow with love so wide. My journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is light. Me flow in silence, but my strength is loud. My river deep, my spirit proud. Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where they grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow. Me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No noise, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find no come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone. In stillness me no feel alone. The move for sure, me move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, me trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creep. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse flow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me trot slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise.
You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Don't try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry. Cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth will lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, my reason why. Roots never die through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn my shell. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trot steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise, Jah keep I wise. Sun cover Beijing, Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing, me walk with Jah in everything. Yes, Jah, me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly. If you listen deep, you'll hear the truth just sent in the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree, let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talk in ancient code. Me feel Jah presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Jah voice comes slow in the wind, the whispers in the wind. Truth so clear, Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope.
Me knock on tower fi find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky. By every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise. Floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin. Just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow. Let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I'm on grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf. Let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong. Been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin. Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen.
Me nah walk alone. Jah light lead the road. Every step me carry code. Me walk with light, though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage. Just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with knives and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget, one drop beat and Jah inside. Guide me soul through darkest night. Yes, me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs. My ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper, truth so loud, but Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft, but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, just remember, walk with light. Me no care if me walk one way, long as Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah we must. Walk with light, keep it high. Even when tears fill your eye. Every burden, every plight get lighter when you walk with light. Yes, Jah, me soul take flight. Whoa, try, still rise. One step through skies. Me walk with light for life. before I so me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding I through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With bare foot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release, them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jawan beside me flow. Me build my life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, I me root in your land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self, me walk for y'all.
Ici, just speak. Nothing noise, nothing noise.
Me sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me here with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust did bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key. The truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within. Me overstand from wind begin.
when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flow from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe, yeah. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
The sound of the sea, palm trees dancing just for me. Coffee strong and the sunlight high, no worries here under the island sky. Barefoot walking through the sand, freedom's ringing in this land. Every step a melody, feel the rhythm, come with me. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Steel drums playing by the shore, smiles and laughter, nothing more. Hearts unchained, we let it go, moving slow, letting the good vibes flow. Colorful sunsets paint the sea as night falls on this harmony. Stars above and peace inside, together we enjoy the ride. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. Ooh yeah, we rise so high. Sway left, sway right, let the firelight glow. Dance in the moonlight, take it slow. Hearts beat in time with the tide. Island magic we can't hide. Let's ride the breeze, just you and me. No clocks, no plans, just be free. Island dreams and ocean skies, with reggae love we rise so high. We rise so high. stress, no fight, just peace tonight. Island breeze and the stars so bright. This is life, just you and me on this wave of harmony.
Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah's skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. My branch spread far, but heart stay near. To Zion drum me always here. Like a tree of life, me stand firm. Even when the system burn, me nah break, me just grow wise. Me leave them dance under Jah's skies. Yes, I'm a tree still rise. Roots deep in our ancient ground. Bassline roll with healing sound. Let the wind blow, let it test. My tree grows slow, but Jah know best. My leaf gives shade to ones in need. My trunk stands strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. Like a tree of life, but still bloom. Even in Babylon gloom, me rise each day with peace inside. My branches wide, my roots can't hide. Ooh, Jah, me standing